రేండిరా రేయ్ రేండి రేండి ఎందుకు రారా రారా.
My name is Bittu. I am studying in 8th class.
My name is Gautam Kumar. I am studying in 8th class.
My name is Karthik. I am studying in 8th class.
My name is Keshav. I am studying in 8th class.
My name is M. Dolaganesh. I am studying in 8th class.
My name is P. Kumar. I am studying in 8th class. My name is Priyanka. I am studying in 8th class. My name is Aisha. I am studying in 8th class.
Observing onion peeling.
Observing cells in onion peels. Required materials: watch glass, slide, slide, cover slip, microscope, brush. Required chemicals: saffronin, methylene blue, and microscope. We are observing onion cells in onion peels in microscope. We pour saffronin. సాఫ్రానిన్ వేస్తే మనం సెల్స్ మాత్రమే చూడగలం, కానీ మిథిలిన్ బ్లూ వేస్తే మనం అందులో ఉండే న్యూక్లియస్ కూడా చూడగలం.